Hey, Moses, he don't sleep well, I guess.
What happened?
He called everybody last night. He called Ovo. He called me at 2 and something. Hey, he called him too. Look at this guy, man.
He just misses you.
Huh?
He just misses you. What are you doing?
Celebrate.
What are you celebrating?
Huh?
What are you celebrating?
We celebrate we have a new life today. It's a new life. It's a new day. It's a new life. Thank you, Ovo. Thank you, perro.
All right, guys, special day today. I am standing in front of two Rolls Royce Spectres. You've seen this black on orange one a little bit, and it now has the black version of the RDB Trendsetter wheels. It had the brushed version, but now with the black, it ties it all together. We also did an orange pinstripe on it as well. It looks great. As you can see, this has the 1016 Industries new body kit on there. This is in the black badge carbon fiber exclusive, and he did not opt to do all the extra tidbits. This is just all pretty much the lower portions, which includes the front, the side skirts, and then everything in the rear. And now we got this new baddie right here. This is a black on red Rolls Royce Spectre, which is insane. Very, very hard spec to get. And he opted to do the 1016 kit, but in forged carbon fiber. We did an entire hood made out of forged carbon fiber, real forged carbon fiber. This is not your broken up carbon thrown into the mold and all that stuff. This is real forged carbon fiber. Got the front lower lip. We got side skirts. We'll go over there and show you how nice they look. Side skirts fits really well, nice design to it. Doesn't take away from the class luxury feel. And then we come to the back and we get way more sporty. We got the roof spoiler right there. We got the trunk spoiler, which is beautiful, follows the body lines and all that. We also have this tail light piece right here, and look how nice that is. And it goes right under the factory stripe. And then we have that big rear diffuser or lower bumper. So really, really crazy. It also has the black RDB Trendsetter wheels, 24-inch. We could go a little bit lower, but the Spectres, if you try to go really, really low, they get pretty bouncy. So this is kind of the height that we like to drive on because it is comfortable and looks good. So it's pretty cool. But yeah, we got two Spectres right here, guys. And honestly, I'm starting to like them a lot. We got the black on red hand painted emblems on this one, and we got the black orange on that one. Really, really cool. We got orange on the wheels, red on the other wheels. So it has that whole theme going on, which is really nice. And look at this beautiful black badge carbon fiber. Really, really crazy. But yeah, you got a Rolls Royce Spectre. We could do the 1016 kit pretty fast. Wait time is very minimal. It's a nice kit, could be done pretty fast. And we are doing a Mansory Spectre next. That's gonna be a crazy build as well because we're doing all the parts from Mansory, which, as you guys know, Mansory is a little bit more aggressive. So it's gonna be pretty cool to see, but let us know your thoughts.
charge for an oil change?
2,000.
Hell no.
Deal? Let's park it up.
Here's the famous sound of the Ferrari.
Nice. And here's the famous exit of the Ferrari.
These cars are not for 4-year-olds. They're for 20, 25-year-old young people that have no body problems. Here's one of the issues. We're gonna replace the mirror. We have the new parts over there on that side. We're also gonna add some stuff to this car too. Some parts already came in. We'll show you right there. We have some exhaust parts.
It's like a box of paper.
Yeah, we have some exhaust parts, mufflers. We're gonna change on this car. There's more parts coming. So once this car is done, basically it was in a little bit of a, nothing crazy, but have a couple of parts and things that we're gonna change, customize, put new parts on it. Some carbon pieces are broken, we're gonna do that. And that's about it. Everything else looks good on the car. It drives really nice. That's it. On to the, I don't know. See you later. Oh, it's an in and out day today. That's what a hamburger's all about.
Good morning.
Good morning, Apple. How are you?
Good, you?
Very good.
What are you up to?
Huh?
What are you up to?
Nah, I'm very happy
Why?
because finally I go vacation.
You going on vacation?
Yeah,
Where are you going?
I go
El Salvador?
San Diego for 1 day.
No way.
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
When are you leaving?
Friday.
So Saturday?
I come back Friday night. Shit.
You're gonna go on the jet skis?
Yeah.
Yeah? Send me a video.
Okay. Yeah, I love it myself. It's incredible.
Wow.
I tell my wife I'm gonna get a vacation. So yeah.
San Diego?
So where we gonna go? San Diego. Oh, we're gonna be in the hotel? Yeah. How many days? 1 day. Shut the fuck up. That's a vacation. Friday. I'm gonna disappear from LA. What are we doing?
Completed as now. Please check the number and dial again, or dial 611 for customer assistance.
Go
Message S4.
Who you on the phone with?
Scammers.
What do we got here?
He does good research. He's good at researching. Maybe you can find out.
What?
We're trying to figure out how to reset the service light on this car.
You telling me your main mechanic here?
You
doesn't
gotta
know?
ask Hank or Gabe because they're really computer savvy.
What are we doing here?
It's an Alfa Romeo. You're looking at a Toyota. How to reset a Toyota. Oil change required. Okay, so we did the service. Service is done on this Alfa Romeo. So yes, these Alfa Romeos are a little bit complicated. I don't know why, but we can reset every single car in the world, from Ferraris, Lamborghinis, everything. But for this, some reason, our computer's having a hard time resetting this car. I don't know why. So yeah, we're telling you exactly what's happening, so we don't cover up false information that other people do. So, and say. So yeah, we're having a hard time right now, and we really are having a hard time.
See Javier's chest here.
No, this doesn't. This guy's gonna lose this. He's done. My cousin Martin, he's dead. Javier, if you can do this, I'm gonna take you to Costco. I'm gonna take you to a Costco shopping run.
Costco?
I'm gonna get you a $150 gift card. You can make this happen. That defeats the purpose, because that's what the thing is.
You always say that.
He's calling you out.
Oh, there we go. Oh no.
No.
Fuck. That was the coolant level.
The Lamborghini Temerario.
What are these weird names they come up with?
I know there's gonna be like the hybrid haters, but this is gonna be the new Huracan. That's turbos on there. 4-liter twin turbo V8 with 3 electric motors, 789 horsepower, and 10,000 RPM redline. Like, do you guys realize how fun that car would be? The name sucks, but I like this.
It's up there, Steve.